Hello everyone, this is your mentor Nancy and welcome to Dive into Analytics. This channel is all about diving deep into the concepts of data science, simplifying them in easy terms and making them fun for you. So let's dive into today's topic, which is basics of Python. Chalo, let's begin. But before understanding basics of Python, the foremost thing which we have to understand is what is a programming language. चलो, let me give you an example. उसकी help से हम समझते हैं. Suppose I say this to you. Por favor, tráeme mi botella de agua. Well, किसी को समझ आया? I'm 100% sure. शायद ही किन्हीं 2-4 लोगों को समझ आया होगा. What if I say this means, please bring me my water bottle? If I would have said this to you, सबको समझ आता. So, you need a particular language to understand what am I trying to say to you. Thus, a programming language is a language for the computer. अगर मुझे कंप्यूटर से कुछ कराना है, तो मैं उसको एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज की फॉर्म में लिखूंगी. That is, a programming language allows us to create program that tells a computer what to do. अब मेरे कंप्यूटर के पास पैर तो नहीं है, मैं उसको जाके नहीं बोलूँगी कि तू पानी की बॉटल लेके आ. अब what I can tell a computer to do? A computer can print statement, make a game for me, make a website for me, etc. Well, most common programming languages कौन सी हैं? आप सबने सुनी होंगी. C++, C, Java, Python, Ruby, PHP, Kotlin, and thousands of more languages. हम कौन सी पढ़ेंगे? हम पढ़ेंगे Python. Python ही क्यों? Ever wondered? So, let's figure out why should we study only Python. Today, I will give you just a very brief about why Python is advantageous over other languages. बाकी डिटेल में we will study about this in the next video. Okay, well, there are multiple benefits which Python provides over other. Python is the easiest to learn and use. Python is a very easy language. Its syntax is super easy and it is very concise. Python is free for everyone and it is an open source language. Python is versatile. What do you mean by versatile? Basically, versatility means that you can prepare a game, you can make a website, you can work with big data, you can play games, you can do hundreds of other things. There are multiple libraries present for each of the particular task you want to perform. See, presence of third-party modules. What does that imply? That implies there are some libraries like NumPy, Pandas, which use a lot of features of C++. The parts that were good in C++ have been used in Python in the form of libraries. That is called third-party modules. Along with that, Python has a super supportive community. If you have any doubt, go to the community and people love to help there. Well, I think this is all for today. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching my video. Slowly and gradually, we'll be building upon on the complex concepts and specific libraries to your needs, whether it be web development, whether it be backend development, whether it be data science libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Slowly and gradually, we will be providing all the content to you and in very easy terms. That will be really helpful for you. So please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Those who are breaking into tech or data science or any school kids who would love to learn Python, and basically anyone who loves to coding can watch my video. Thank you for watching.